If you are new, thank you so much for visiting Cetina Country Cottage. My name is Rosalie and I'm so glad you stopped by today to visit. So today I am finally so excited to share the news that I've been teasing you all about on my Instagram. We at the Cetina Country Cottage, so me and my husband, are launching our first item in our primitive farmhouse home decor line. And the item, if you can't tell, is right here behind me. It is our primitive farmhouse blanket crane. It's all handmade by my husband Gregory, and I designed it, and I hope you all will check it out on my Instagram to see how I style it. Currently, you can purchase it exclusively from Primitive Star Quilt Shop. I will go ahead and have that link for you down below. And I am so excited to share that they are offering all of my audience 15% off using the code Cetina15, not only on this item, but on all their items. So that is super exciting to be able to offer you guys that discount code. And I'm just so excited. This has been a long time coming ever since I started on social media under Cetina Country Cottage. I have been frequently asked if we are a store, do we sell products, because in a lot of my home tours and posts on Instagram, I share with you all that my husband has built this item for me, whatever it may be, whether it be, I get a lot of questions about the shutters in our breakfast nook. And I've gotten several questions on these blanket cranes, which I have shown in numerous posts and on home tours in different areas of our home. So it was just an organic, natural kind of thing to go ahead and see what we can do for you all. And since my passion is home decor and my husband just loves carpentry and woodworking, it just seemed like a natural fit for us to start a primitive farmhouse product line and offer it to you all. So we're super excited. This one is our 24-inch blanket crane, and it is just in a early American stain. Like I mentioned before, it is all wood and it's all handmade, and as you can see, it swivels so you can easily place throws on it. I love layering, so I will place a runner with a tea towel over it with some decor, and I wanted to show you all today how I do that. So I am going to take a runner. This one you can purchase at Primitive Star Quilt Shop. So I will just layer it like so. So this will give me that that primitive colonial base that I love. It's in neutral colors. It's in tan and black, as you could see. And then I am going to come in with a Sawyer mill tea towel from VHC Brands, which will give it that farmhouse effect with the windmill there and the cream color. So this is how I kind of layer it. And then either you can put one of these hanging taper candles, but because it has a design on here, I'm going to choose a lantern. And I picked up this lantern, if you all love it. It's a punch tin, good size lantern. I purchased this on Amazon. And then this is a timer taper candle, battery operated, that you can pick up at Primitive Star Quilt Shop as well. And then I hauled these in my spring home decor haul from Old Farmhouse Primitives. This is their little 2-inch candle ring. And I just whip that together. And then you could just hang this at the end if you want. and it gives like that farmhouse look, that primitive farmhouse look that I love, and I hope you all love too. So I just love this. Of course, you can get a large quilt and just hang that. I've seen pictures where people will just leave it plain and just have it displayed as like a piece of art, because most of them are all handmade. I wanted to offer you all something special that you couldn't find like at a Hobby Lobby or a Michael's or Target even. Um, just to make your space have a nice, unique touch to it. That's how I like to decorate in my home. I like those one of a kind pieces, and because my husband can build pretty much anything I ask him to, we do have a lot of those items that are special to our home. But now, since we've got so many inquiries throughout the past couple of years, and even I've had people reach out to me that saw our feature in Country Sampler in the 2019 July issue. I've had them reach out to me on Instagram asking where I got specific items, and those specific items just happen to be the pieces that Gregory has built for me. So I'm so excited to share with you all our first item. There are going to be more primitive farmhouse items to come, so stay tuned for that, and I will go ahead and link everything that you need to view these online and purchase them, hopefully, to make your home your happy place, as I always like to say, and just give it that primitive farmhouse, rustic, country, even colonial feel in your space that we all long for in our home, to make it comfy and cozy and unique to us and our family. So thank you so much for joining me today. I look forward to sharing with you future products from our Cetina Country Cottage Primitive Farmhouse line. Thank you so much for watching. God bless. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.